always say that CCP should do something, but they are not doing. Whereas no other body is doing. But when it comes to promotion in education, at least education department does it, whereas CCP does not do it.
Yeah, I think when I now see it, there is a mismatch in the color because as far as report actually education is the education department. Other than that, the preparation of outline development plan as well as the control and changes in land use is mostly with the town country planning department and through the NGPDA. Similarly, when we asked about the planning for social economic development, there was no mention that there is any such social or economic plan. Though normally the master plans have a component of social economic planning because the corporation wants to have it outside the city limit and the state department wants to have it somewhere in the state limit, in the city corporation limit. Then there are multiple other departments like the animal husbandry department which should qualify the quality of the livestock. Then also the health department should qualify the quality of the meat once it is processed or once it is done.
So if there is a slaughterhouse, that means someone has to be there to check the...
Yes.
Mumbai Corporation has a very comprehensive service which is provided when it comes to slaughterhouse. They maintain, they give permissions, they process the waste, they do there's a licensing department which does a quality check and also provides the licenses, and health department oversees it from the quality angle of it. And if you look at the 18 functions list, probably Mumbai is much better in terms of it, where almost 9 functions are handled exclusively by the city government. And in the other 9, there are multiple controls, but the city government plays a very significant role in those other 9 functions. But if you go to states, other states, like for example, even Kochi, in Kerala, where we have been there, in Kochi, which is spoken as one of the best examples when it comes to decentralization or devolution, there are only 3 services which have been actually transferred to the city government.
When we look at the central government and state government, where the elected representative, that is PM, Prime Minister and CM, are the head of those governments. But at the city government level, usually it is seen that the mayor is not the head of the corporation, or he or she does not have the tenure same as the office of municipal corporation. In Panji also, the office of municipal corporation is for the 5 years, whereas the mayor term is not co-terminus with the office of the municipal corporation. This is under section 22 of the Panji Corporation Act 2002. It seems that the term of mayor becomes sometimes limitations for the mayor to perform with continuous performance. So what we have observed that at least there should be one single agency or unified body which will look after these 18 functions as mentioned in the 74th Constitutional Amendment. Even if unified body is not possible, at least there can be one nodal agency which will coordinate with the other various agencies for better service delivery to ensure the better accountability and coordination.
And respect by the other agencies. This is the agency which is actually the heart of the city. Now take one instance. We have got a bull in the China shop called the captain of port. The captain of port is supposed to look into what is happening in the river. But that idiot issues licenses for casinos, issues licenses for cruise boats, issues licenses for everything there, but doesn't look into what happens to the infrastructure inside. He does it on his own, and all the dirt comes on the council. Garbage is thrown. We want to make binless consume. Binless consume. It is a very good concept, binless consume. But the tourists, when they come, what do? Do they take the garbage in the pocket? They don't take the binless consume or binless thing is only good for army area where there is discipline. Captain of port, when I tell him you are cruise boats are defecating here, they are urinating here, that is the job of the municipality. That is the job of the municipality. Have you taken the decision of the municipality when they are running the cruises? This is the thing, fundamental thing which you have to address. They give their licenses as they want. No, that is the job of the. Then see the coordination. They are supposed to be urination free dedication tree, Swachh Bharat, very good. Modi has come up with a beautiful concept, Swachh Bharat. But what is happening in the Swachh Bharat? Police, municipality cannot charge them. It is a police duty. High Court has come with a plan saying that there should be a monitoring committee. Monitoring High Court, Rakshan Parikar had filed a petition. On that there is a sanitary inspector of the year, two policemen and one citizen person.